The Humsafar Trust was started way back in 1994. We have a very clear vision statement that we would like rational attitudes to sex and to mobilize around issues that concern the sexual minorities, especially around four main segments.
Currently, the Humsafar Trust has 6 drop-in centers across Mumbai and it caters to a population of 9,000 people. We believe that any intervention needs to be holistic. It needs to address mental health aspects as well as the health needs of individuals who come to our center. We give free HIV testing through the Shakti clinics as well as free antiretroviral therapy which is provided in the public health system. We have 2 counselors. We have one counselor who is specially dealing with the HIV testing and one psychosocial counselor who deals with psychosocial needs of the LGBT community. We have 2 doctors who from Mondays to Saturdays, and it's a free consultation for anybody who walks in and wants to take services.
By advocacy, we mean any sensitization or initiative which leads to an eventual policy change or a change in laws. Advocacy is a major area of work at the Humsafar Trust. We work with direct influencers such as the police, healthcare providers, lawyers and educational institutes. We also work with indirect influencers such as the media, politicians and policy makers. Humsafar's advocacy initiatives include Bombay Dost, India's first registered LGBT magazine, Kashish, Mumbai International Queer Film Festival. Our collectives include Yariyan, which is a youth initiative, Umang, which is an LGBT support group, and Sanjeevni, which is a help group for people living with HIV. We are an active part of Queer Azadi Mumbai, which is a collective which organizes the Mumbai Pride. We also support the community when they face crisis situations. We give them legal advice. We provide them support in filing police complaints and also give them counselling if needed. We are seeking visibility for the community and to seek for equality and inclusion. The entire goal is to fight for our human rights.
Under capacity building at Humsafar, we are running a program which is called Pehchan under Global Fund Round 9. And this is a one-time project for MSM transgender and the Hijra population in the country. We are conducting trainings that are classroom trainings as well as on-site trainings for all the staff of the SSRs, which help them actually replicate the model of community-based organizations at the district level. In the 5 states that we are working, we have successfully set up 51 SSRs, reached to around 2 lakh population. These are the people who have not received any services before Pehchan has reached them.
Humsafar Trust research has been very organized for last 15 years. That is divided into different areas. One is in the area of behavioral surveillance, which essentially supports targeted intervention. The other kind of studies are the basic studies on the basis of which we start the new interventions. The third are the studies which inform and support our advocacy program. So that would be media studies. And the fourth one is something that we can actually utilize to improvise on our program.
Because Humsafar has a huge registry of data regarding LGBT, we need to sort out what are the issues and research them as far as we are concerned. And therefore, these 4 main segments that Humsafar Trust deals with have been the mainstay of our work. And today, from just one person way back in 1994, today we have more than 200 staff. And not only that, but we have more than 15 or 16 very large research projects, buy-in from the Government of India. This is solid evidence that this community is wanting to work with the government so that it can tackle the issues concerning us.
As we move forward, India has an opportunity to join many other democracies in the world by guaranteeing equal protection to its LGBTQ communities. You too can join Humsafar in this journey. Click on the donate button on our website, or you can volunteer your time through our Satya program, or maybe you can create awareness through social networking sites. Please remember, if you stand up for queer rights, you stand up for equality, you stand up for humanity.